Hey everyone, welcome back to Real Talk English. I'm Grace.
And I'm David. Great to be here.
So, David, have you traveled anywhere recently?
Actually, yes. I just got back from a trip last week, and honestly, airports still stress me out a little.
Oh, you're not alone. A lot of people feel that way, especially when you have to do everything in English.
Exactly. Like, what do you even say at the check-in counter? Or if your bag is too heavy?
Right. So today we're talking about one of the most useful situations for English learners, the airport.
Yes. From the moment you walk in to the moment you grab your bag, there's so much English happening.
Exactly. So, we've put together 7 real-life scenes for you. Check-in, security, the departure gate, and more.
Whether you're traveling soon or just want to be prepared, this one's got you covered.
All right, let's get into it.
Good morning. Where are you headed today?
Hi. I'm flying to London. I'd like to check in, please.
Sure. Can I see your passport and booking confirmation?
Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes. Just one suitcase.
Got it. Could you place your bag on the scale, please?
Of course. Is the weight okay?
You're just under the limit. You're good. Do you have a seat preference? Window or aisle?
I'd prefer a window seat, if possible.
Let me check. Yes, I can get you a window seat. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is B12, and boarding starts at 9:40.
Great. Thank you. One more thing. Is my flight on time?
Yes, it's running on schedule. Have a great flight.
Thanks so much.
I'm sorry, but your bag is over the weight limit. It's 32.5 kilos, and the limit is 25.
Oh no. What are my options?
You can pay the excess baggage fee, or you can remove some items and carry them on.
How much is the excess baggage fee?
It's $15 per extra kilo. So that would be about $112 for 7.5 kilos.
That's quite a lot. Oh. I think I'll take some things out. Is there somewhere I can do that?
Yes, there's a seating area just to your right. Take your time.
Okay, I took out a few things. Can you weigh it again?
Of course. That's 30 kilos, still 5 over.
Ugh. You know what? I'll just pay the fee. It's easier.
No problem. That'll be $75 for the 5 kilos.
Oh, that's much better. I'll pay by card.
Perfect. Here's your receipt and boarding pass. You're all set.
Good morning. Please place all your belongings in the tray. Laptop, phone, keys, belt, and any liquids.
Sure. Does my jacket need to come off too?
Yes, please remove your jacket and shoes as well.
Okay. Should my water bottle go in there too?
Is it empty?
No, it's full.
Then you'll need to throw it away. Or finish it before going through. You can't bring liquids over 100 milliliters through security.
Right. I forgot about that. I'll just toss it.
Thank you. Go ahead and walk through the scanner.
Oh. Did I set it off?
It seems so. Do you have anything in your pockets?
Oh, I think I left some coins in there. Sorry.
That's all right. Please put them in the tray and walk through again.
All clear this time?
Yes, you're good. Collect your things and have a safe trip.
Excuse me. I'm on the 10:15 flight to Paris, but the board shows it's been delayed. What's going on?
I apologize for the inconvenience. The flight has been delayed by 2 hours due to a technical issue.
2 hours. That's a long wait. Is there anything I can do?
You're welcome to wait in the terminal. There are some cafes and shops nearby. We'll make announcements as we get updates.
Okay. Will you let us know if there are any more changes?
Absolutely. We'll keep you posted. Also, please be aware, the gate has changed from B12 to C4.
Oh, that's important. So I need to go to gate C4 now?
Not yet. But please head over there about 30 minutes before the new departure time.
Got it. And if there are more delays, will you announce it?
Yes. We'll update the board and make announcements. You can also check the airline app for real-time update.
Thank you. I'll keep an eye out.
Thank you for your patience.
Excuse me. Could I get a blanket, please? It's a bit cold.
Of course. I'll bring one right over.
Thank you. Also, could I get something to drink? Just water is fine.
Sure. Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Here's your blanket and some water. Can I get you anything else?
Actually, yes. I'm not feeling great. Do you have any motion sickness medication?
I'm sorry to hear that. We have some on board. Are you feeling nauseous?
A little. The turbulence is making me feel uneasy.
I understand. Try to focus on a fixed point and take slow, deep breaths. I'll get the medication for you.
That would be great. Oh, and one more thing. How much longer until we land?
We have about 2 hours left. Hang in there.
Thanks so much. You've been really helpful.
Next, please. Passport.
Here you go.
What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for tourism. Just sightseeing and relaxing.
How long will you be staying?
About 10 days.
Where will you be staying?
I have a hotel reservation in the city center. I have the confirmation here if you need it.
That won't be necessary. Have you been to this country before?
No, this is my first time.
Do you have anything to declare at customs? Any food, plants, or large amounts of cash?
No, nothing to declare.
All right, welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Hi, I think my bag is missing. I waited at baggage claim, but it never came out.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can I have your name and flight number?
It's Sarah Kim. And the flight was LH704 from Frankfurt.
Let me check. I'm sorry. It looks like your bag was left behind in Frankfurt. It will be on the next available flight.
Oh no. When will that arrive?
Most likely within 24 hours. We'll deliver it directly to your address once it arrives.
Okay. Can you give me something in writing?
Of course. I'll give you a property irregularity report. That's the official document for your missing bag. Keep it in case you need to make a claim.
What if my bag doesn't arrive by tomorrow?
If it doesn't arrive within 24 hours, please call this number and we'll follow up immediately.
And what about things I need right now? Like toiletries?
We can offer you a small allowance for essential items. I'll note that on your report.
That's helpful, thank you. I hope it gets here soon.
We'll do our best. Again, I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience.
All right. That's a wrap on our airport English episode.
That was a lot of situations. I feel like I covered a whole trip in one go.
Right? From check-in to lost luggage, we hope you're ready for anything now.
My favorite scene was probably the security one. I always forget something in my pockets.
Same. Now let's do a quick recap of some key phrases from today.
I'd like to check in. What are my options? Nothing to declare.
The flight has been delayed. Could I get a blanket, please? My bag is missing.
So useful. Real situations, real English.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.
And leave a comment below. Tell us, have you ever had a travel problem at the airport?
We'd love to hear your stories. See you in the next one.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.